Next we'll go with exercise 7.3. Question can be asked in two form. One is repetition allowed. Another one is repetition not allowed. Okay, in repetition not allowed, here we need to use only permutation formula. Okay, what is permutation formula? NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial, where n is equal to total number of object. Okay, where r is equal to number of object want to find or arranged. Okay, we need to find or we need to arrange. Next we'll go with the problems. Next, first question. How many 3-digit number can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated? Okay, first you write the permutation formula. Permutation formula is NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, we need to find 3-digit number from the digit 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 9. Total number of object is 9. We need to find 3-digit number where r is equal to 3. We need to find na. Okay, substitute n is equal to 9, r is equal to 3. Okay, which is nothing but number of object we need to arrange. N is nothing but total number of object. Okay, substitute in equation number 1. Let this be equation number 1. NPR is nothing but 9PR. Substitute in formula. 9PR is 3 na. 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 factorial. Okay, where you'll get 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 factorial cancel. Okay, 9p3 is nothing but 504. Okay, 9p3 is nothing but 504. Okay, next we'll go with the second question. How many 4-digit number are there without digit repeating? Okay, without no digits are repeated. Okay, the digits given is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we need to find how many 4-digit number are there without repeating. Let this be first digit, second digit, third digit and fourth digit. Okay, next you write the permutation formula is equal to NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Okay, in given question 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in these numbers without repeating, we need to find the 4 digit. Okay, note, this is very important. You cannot consider 0. You cannot consider 0 as your first digit. Okay, because if you consider 0 as your first digit, the number of digit arranged is 3. Example, if you consider this is the first column na, this is second, third, fourth. If you consider 0 as your first digit, okay, then second is 9, third is 7, fourth is 3, then this result will be 973. 3 digit. Okay, but you need to find 4 digit na. That's why for first digit you cannot consider 0. Okay, so you can write this as except 0. How many terms are there in n? Except 0, n is equal to 9 na? Except 0, r will be only 1 because we are considering only the first term r. Okay, in 4 terms if we consider only first term, it will get r is equal to 1. Okay, p is equal to 9p1. This term is 9p1. Okay, in 4 digit you are considering only the first digit. Okay, in first digit 0 should not be there. Except 0, n will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is equal to 9. Okay, you're finding the first digit means r is equal to 1. If you're finding 2 digit means r is equal to 2. Okay, this one will become 9p1. Okay, next remaining 3. Okay, if for in this term if you consider 3 is gone. Okay, according to the question, no digits to be repeated. Okay, no digit to be repeated. If 3 is gone means the remaining term will be 0, 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in second, third, fourth term 0 can be included. Okay, overall n is nothing but 9. To find all these 3 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we need to find 3 digit. Then we r is equal to 3. You will get around 9p3. Okay, npr is equal to 9p3. Okay, in this particular question, if we need to find 4 digit in the given data, 0 is there means we need not to consider 0 as the first digit. Okay, next we will solve this. Okay, total we need to find 4 digit. Okay, in 4 digit this one is 9p1 into 9p3. 1 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4 na. We need to find 4 digit. Okay, substitute in formula. npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, substitute in this formula. 9p1 is equal to 9 factorial by 9 minus 1 factorial, which will be equal to 9 factorial by 8 factorial, where 9 factorial can be written in 9 into 8 factorial, where 8 factorial cancel, you'll get 9. Okay, 9p1 is nothing but 9. Okay, let this be equation number 2. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, next we need to find 9p3. 9p3 is equal to, substitute in this formula, 9 factorial by 9 minus 3 factorial, which can be written in 9 factorial can be written in 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel. 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, 9 into 8 into 7. 9 into 8 into 7. 9p3 is this answer. Let this be equation number 3. Okay, multiply equation number 2 and equation number 3 and find the total 4 digit. Okay, total 4 digit is equal to 9p1 into 9p3, which is nothing but 9 into 8 into 7, which is nothing but 4536. Okay, where 81 into 8 into 7, 56. You'll get 4. Okay, total digit is equal to 4536. 4536 if you multiply both. Okay, total 4 digit is equal to, okay, in 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 4 is first digit, 5 is second digit, 3 is third digit, 6 is fourth digit. Okay, the final result will be 1 2 3 4 4 5 3 6 9 P1 9 P3. Okay, this is the answer. Next we'll go with the third question. How many 3-digit even number can be made using the digits 1 2 3 4 6 7 if no digit is repeated? If no digit is repeated means we have to use permutation formula. First you write the permutation formula is equal to NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let this formula be equation number 1. Okay, we need to find 3-digit even number. Okay, even number means 3 digit. This is first digit, this is second digit, this is third digit. Even number means first 2 digit can be even or odd, third digit must be even. Okay, for example, first digit 1 2 3. Okay, this should be even only. This can be even or odd both. Okay, if first digit is 1, second digit is 4, third digit should be 2. Odd, even, even. Okay, second example, if first digit is 3, second digit is 5, third digit for 33 5 6. If 6 come means 3 5 6 is an even number. This is even digit. Next example, this one is 4, this one is 7, and this should be even means it should be even number 8. This is even. Or 4 4 4. 444 is an even number. In first and second digit it will never matter whether it's even or odd, but third digit should be even. Okay, this digit should be even, this 2 digit can be even or odd. Okay, according to the given data 1 2 3 4 6 7, even numbers are 2 4 6 2 4 6. Even slash odd both are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if you consider first second third, this even only, this should be even only. Okay, to become even, total number of even is 1 2 3. N is equal to 3. 3 terms. In 6 terms, 3 terms are even. N is equal to 3. R, as R is nothing but number of digit. Even digit should be 1. R is equal to 1, which is nothing but NPR is equal to 3P1. Okay, 3P1 means where no digit is repeated. Digit should not be repeated. If in this box 4 is the digit, cancel 4. In the given question also 4 will be cancelled. Okay, in even and odd term also 4 will be cancelled because no terms are repeated. Okay, next we need to find first 2 digit. Okay, if 4 is cancelled means number of terms 1 2 3 4 5, even and odd both means n is equal to 5. Okay, we need to find 2 digit. R is equal to 2. NPR is equal to 5P2. Okay, NPR is equal to 5P2. Then Find with the help of equation number 1. Okay, then 3 digit is equal to 5p2 into 3p1. 5p2 is equal to 3p1. Okay, 5p2, first you find 5p2 is equal to npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial is equal to n factorial is 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial can be written 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5p2 is equal to 20. Next, 3p1 is nothing but substituting n factorial by n minus r factorial, which will be equal to 3 factorial by 3 minus 1 factorial. You'll get 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 factorial into 1. 2 cancel. Okay, 3p1 is equal to 3. Okay, 3p1 is equal to 3. Okay, then final answer 3 digit is equal to 5p2 into 3p1. 5p2 is nothing but 20 into 3p1 is equal to 3. Okay, 20 into 3 is nothing but 60. Okay, now next we'll go with the fourth question. Find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. How many of this will be even? If no digit is repeated, we need to use permutation formula. Permutation formula is nothing but npr is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, this is the main permutation formula. Let this permutation formula be equation number 1. Okay, next, the given data we need to find 4 digit. Okay, 4 digit means 1, 2, 3, 4. And the given data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, where n is equal to 5. Okay, we need to find 4 digit means r is equal to 4. Substitute n is equal to 5, r is equal to 4 in this equation. Okay, np r is equal to 5p4 is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial, which is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 minus 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 minus 4 is nothing but 1 factorial. 1 cancel. Okay, total answer is 120. 5p4 is nothing but 120. Okay, and in the same question they have asked how many of these will be even. Okay, how many of these will be even. Okay, even numbers means 4 digit na. 4 digit is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. This fourth digit will be even only, and this third digit can be even or odd, second even or odd, first one is also even or odd, except this first 3 digit. Fourth digit should be even. Okay, given data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this even number are 2, 4. Even slash odd number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now if we consider 4 in this place, in fourth place, okay, this is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. Okay, in this fourth place, if we consider 4, where no digits are repeated. Where no digits are repeated means 4 cancel. In even and odd number also 4 will be not repeated. In first 3 digit also 4 will be not repeated. Okay, remaining terms will be coming 1 3 5, which is nothing but 1 2 3 5 will come. In this 4 digit only you need to find first 3 digit. Okay, in this even term, where in even term 2 comma 4, n total is 2, 1 and 2. Okay, we need to find only the fourth term, means last digit should be even to get number of, to find how many of this will be even. Okay, r is equal to 1. Okay, this is nothing but 2p1. This one is 2p1. Okay, then remaining is 3 digit. 3 digit means r is equal to 3. Remaining e by o is equal to, okay, total number of terms 1 2 3 4 is not there, 5 means 4, n is equal to 4, r is equal to 3 na, 3 digit. Okay, first second third we need to find 3. So in this 4p3, this is nothing but 4p3. Okay, this is 4p3 into 2p1, you will get 4 digit number. Okay, 4 digit is equal to, number is equal to 4p3 into 2p1. Okay, substitute in permutation formula, okay, to find the answer. Okay, 4p3 into 2p1, 4 digit is equal to 4p3 into 2p1. Substitute in permutation formula, npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, first you find 4p3. 4p3 is equal to 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial, which is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 by 1 factorial. You will get around 4 3 is 12, 24. Okay, then 2p1 is equal to 2 factorial by 2 minus 1 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1 by 1 factorial, you will get 2. Okay, 2 into 24, 4 digit is equal to 4p3 into 2p1 is equal to 24 into 2 is nothing but 48. 4 digit. Okay, 24 is equal to 48. Okay, where digits are not repeated. Okay, this is even and odd both. Even and odd means 1 2 3. If 4 is repeated, digits cannot be repeated, so we did not consider 4. 3 comma 5. Okay, in this 4 terms we need to find 3 terms, where n is equal to 4, we need to find 3 terms, means r is equal to 3. Okay, even terms only 2 comma 4 according to given data 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in this given data 2 and 4 are the even. In these 2 even numbers we need to find 1 even number now. If we consider 4, then 2 will remain. That's why number of even is 2 and we need to find 1 digit, that's why 1. Okay, r is equal to 1. Then we substituted in permutation formula, then we got 48 is the answer. Next we'll go with the 5th question. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways we can choose a chairman and vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? One person cannot hold more than one position means we need to use permutation formula. Permutation formula is npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, then according to the given question, committee consists of 8%, where n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Okay, we need to find chairman and vice chairman, two posts. Okay, we need to find two posts, chairman and vice chairman, where r is equal to 2. Substitute in permutation formula. N is equal to 8. NPR is equal to 8P2. Okay, you will get substitute 8 factorial by 8 minus 2 factorial. Okay, you will get 8 factorial can be written in 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6 factorial, 6 factorial, 6 factorial cancel. Okay, na you will get 8 into 7. Okay, 8 into 7. Okay, na 8 into 7 means NPR is equal to 8P2 is equal to 8 into 7, 56. Then 8P2 is equal to 54 times we can, sorry, 56. Okay, number of, okay, how many ways? 56 ways you can choose chairman and vice chairman. Okay, how many ways we can choose chairman and vice chairman? 56 ways. Okay, next